In this exercise, we're going to add two numbers together. So if we have a problem like this that says add 37.53 and 23.32, so it's important to remember the steps. So always remember your place value. This is the tens place, this is the ones place, this is the tenths place because it's after the decimal. And then this is the hundredths place, which is also after the decimal. Then you add each place value starting with the lowest place value first. So for this one, we would start here in the hundredths. Then we need to remember to carry down the decimal, then add normally as if it is not there. So let's bring down our decimal and pretend it's not even there. Okay, so we just put it here. Here's our decimal. And then the final step is to remember to carry if any place value adds to greater than 9. And don't worry if you don't remember carrying. You can look in the description. I have other links to other videos of mine that explain that in detail for you. Okay, but I will go through it right now as we solve this. So we add first the hundredths. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So let's put 5 here. Then we go to the tenths. 5 plus 3 is 8. So we'll put an 8 here. Then we go to the ones. And the ones is 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. So we put a 0 here. And we carry a 1 here. So we put a 1 on top here. So we remember to add it. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. So we put a 6 here. And that's how you solve that. And I'm hoping that the carrying was clear enough so you don't have to look at anything else. But if you need further help, just check out the description. There's other videos down there to help you. As well, you could download the ebook. The ebook has this exact lesson in it, and you could look at the ebook as you watch this video, and you can take notes. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.